Chinese are very rich in their culture, and it is through this culture that we see them trying to bring it out to the world. We see them promoting a lot of respect, hospitality, a lot of family values coming in there, and more so the peaceful way in which they resolve conflicts rather than the confrontational ways. Chinese really have epitomized innovation. The Chinese have really been the game changer, including the recent AI innovations that we've been able to see. The entrant of the Chinese innovations in all spheres really has made quality products to be made around the world. And for many years, Africa did not enjoy the kind of infrastructure we see today, the interconnectedness that we see within the continent, thanks to the Chinese entrant as a game changer, of course, when it comes to that space of development. So what I could say is that their development has shown the world that it is possible, it can be done.